What's up guys, and right now you are looking at to the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So yeah, these two devices are totally leaked out now. The OnePlus 7 Pro is being announced alongside with the OnePlus 7 later today, but that doesn't mean the leaks have stopped, as we've now seen what appear to be our first ever presentation video as well as the first ever trailer video of the OnePlus 7 Pro. There's a lot to talk about these two devices. So first of all, let's talk about these hands-on photos of what to be called the OnePlus 7 Pro. Having said that, these photos are shared by iLeakVN. The photos shows both the front and the back side of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and while would take them with a pinch of salt, they look convincing. On top of which, it's not super surprising that there would be models in the wild this close to launch. So if we talk about the design looks as we've seen before, with a curved all-screen front achieved through having a pop-up selfie camera. The back meanwhile has a triple lens camera, which one lens labeled as being 48 megapixel. If we look closely, the images also include the box and a partial specs list, stating that the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display, 48 megapixel, 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel rear cameras, a top-end Snapdragon 855 chipset, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of native storage. So yeah guys, after that, now you are looking at the first trailer video of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So yeah guys, this is the official trailer video as well as the official promo video of the OnePlus 7 Pro. This promotional video tells us about the key features of the OnePlus 7. So if I talk about this notchless, hole-less display, this display is rumored to come with the 6.7-inch Quad ID Plus curved Super AMOLED display. This display is made by Samsung, so obviously this display will look a lot like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus display. Having said that, the phone will also come with the pop-up selfie camera. OnePlus has already confirmed that the OnePlus 7 Pro display would come with a refresh rate of 90Hz and have an IDR Plus certified panel. The phone is also certified for the Netflix IDR content. Furthermore, the display panel of the OnePlus 7 Pro has been awarded the A+ quality rating by DisplayMate. The major difference between the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro will be its cameras and the RAM. The OnePlus 7 could come with up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage, and the OnePlus 7 Pro will come with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. Having said that, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro both are expected to have the USB Type-C port, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is also particularly speculated to have a 4000 mAh of battery along with a rapid charge 30 voltage fast charging tech, which is insane. Also, these are the camera samples shared by OnePlus, have suggested a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens on the OnePlus 7 Pro to enable 3x optical zoom. From these samples, you can get a good idea about the cameras of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. What's your thoughts on this video? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.